Hi guys, this is Miss Burns. I wanted to show you how I'm logging into Canvas. So I've got my phone here. It should work similarly to your tablet. You can see here that I have an app that says Canvas Student. I also have Canvas Teacher, but I'm going to click on Student. And it says Find My School. Yours may not say this because your iPad may already be connected to the school, but if it does say this, I'm going to click the button that says Find My School, and I'm going to type in Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte. And I'm going to find this right here that says Charlotte Mecklenburg Schools. I'm going to click it. Up here it says Staff and Student Login with NC EdCloud. I am. I'm going to click on this. Now I'm going to type in my username. That is the number in the folder that I gave you. See? Big old long number. I have 1, 2. And then I'm going to click Go. Now the password is also in the folder right underneath. It is capital C MSX 2032. You have to make sure that it is a capital C. So you're going to need to click the little arrow to make it capital. Okay? I'm going to type in my password. You're not allowed to know my password. Okay. Now I have this dashboard. It's going to show me all of my classes. Now I have more classes than you should have. So I'm going to find, let's go to this one here. ELA grade 1. It should say literacy 1, and it's got a little person reading. So we know that this is for reading. I'm going to go ahead and click on it. So this hopefully is what yours looks like. Hopefully my app is kind of like yours. So we've got the class at the top, literacy, which is reading. And then we've got all of these lovely little things that we can go to. But for right now, I want you to go to this where it says home. So this is the first page. This is kind of where you will go to when we start. So it says literacy, welcome to Miss Burns class, meet your teacher, Miss Burns. There will be a video there that you can watch. I'll go ahead and send the link also through Class Dojo. And then here's a way we navigate our Canvas course. I'm going to put a video in there. We've got these 6 buttons here. Let me make it a little bit closer. So this one up here says live lessons. Those are going to be the lessons that you are taking with Miss Burns. Course navigation, that's how you get around. Grading, we know what that means. Support is help. Teacher information. And then we have the enter here button. Let's click it. So the enter here button is when you are doing your stuff. So you click enter here, and this is the stuff that you will have to do. Okay? So let's say we're going to start Module 1, Lesson 1. I can go ahead and click it. I don't know if I clicked it. There we go. So, and then it has all of the things that I will need to do. I'm going to go in order. So let's start with Module 1, Unit 1, Family Letter. So this says, Dear Family. There's also a Spanish version at the top. So this is for the family. It tells about what we're going to be doing in literacy and all that good stuff. So it says, click the next button to begin Lesson 1. Or you can go home, which is back to that first page, with the enter here button. So let's go ahead and do next. So you see this little arrow down here at the button? That's next. Click. So you will need student workbook page 2. What do you know about tools? That is going to be the purple book. And then Optional, print mission letter number 1, and optional, print the magic bow. You do not have to print these. They will be in the lessons. But if you would like to print them, you can. So then, boop, 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 boop. I'm going to click the next arrow. So, it says, from a computer, enlarge the video to full screen by clicking on the, the little icon. From an iPad or mobile device, spread out your thumb and pointer finger over the video to enlarge. So I'm going to go ahead and click play. And you see how that video is really tiny? And let me turn the volume down. You see how that video is really tiny in this big picture? So I'm going to take my 2 fingers. Oh no! And I'm going to spread it. Oh, that doesn't work on my phone. I wonder if I have the button. Oh, I think I must have the button, but it's so tiny that I cannot find it. Well, you are going to take your fingers. This should work on your tablet. I don't know why this doesn't work on my phone. Maybe because my phone is too small. So my screen's a lot smaller than your screen. You're going to take your 2 fingers. You know how to do this. And you're going to spread them out so that that video becomes bigger and you can see it. So this is like the classroom, right? Just like you would normally see. And then that's going to be the video for the day, okay? I wonder... I really just can't make it bigger, can I? Well, you're going to watch that video, and that is going to give you the lesson for the day. You're not going to hear the lesson from Miss Burns. You're going to hear the lesson from Canvas. Somebody else is going to show you the lesson. What you're going to get from Miss Burns is when you come to see me and we all sit down and we do the video chatting together, what you're going to get from me is we'll talk about the lesson. We will review the lesson. I will make sure that you understand the lesson. And if you have any questions, that would be the time to ask me. I will ask you some questions to make sure that you understand. I will also, in case somebody did not understand correctly, if they made a mistake, I will try and fix those mistakes with you. So that will be kind of how it will go. You'll learn the lesson from the videos, and then you'll come and talk to me, and I will make sure that you understand it. That will be the same thing for reading, literacy, and math. Science and social studies are going to be all on your own. I hope to add some videos to Canvas so that you have a little bit of extra stuff from me, but unfortunately there is just not time in the day that we could have being live with the teacher. We really wanted to make sure that literacy and math are kind of the most important thing. So that is kind of my introduction to Canvas. I really hope to see you guys on Monday morning.